If you're searching for the best beginner coding courses on Coursera, the good news is you don't need any previous programming experience to get started. Coursera offers beginner-friendly courses from top universities and leading tech companies that teach coding step by step. Before we begin, if you're planning to complete multiple coding courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to paying for learning programs individually. My first recommendation is Programming for Everybody from the University of Michigan. It's one of the most popular beginner programming courses on Coursera and teaches Python from the ground up. You'll learn programming basics, debugging, and problem solving without needing any prior coding knowledge. If you want a broader introduction to programming concepts, Duke University's Programming Fundamentals is another excellent choice. It focuses on algorithms, computational thinking, and core programming principles that apply to almost every programming language. For learners interested in building software, Meta's programming in Python is a great next step after learning the basics. It introduces object-oriented programming, data structures, debugging, testing, and practical Python development skills. If web development interests you, Meta's programming with JavaScript is an excellent beginner course. JavaScript is one of the most widely used programming languages for websites, and this course teaches the fundamentals in a beginner-friendly way. The best part is that these courses are designed for beginners, so you can start learning at your own pace and gradually build job-ready programming skills. The only downside is that if you decide to continue learning after your first course, buying individual learning programs can quickly become expensive. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying for every course separately, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value if you're serious about learning to code. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.